You add some water to it, and you add whatever cleanser you use. I use Dawn dish soap. And then you take your dirty brush, there's mine, put it inside and press the button. Once the machine gets to going for a little second, your hand and brush are gonna go along with the motion of the machine. And then you take it out, rinse it, and your brush will be clean. There's also a hose on the side, so you take that off to dispose of the water and then attach it right back onto the side. But it's so cute, and